Hey guys, what is up today? And today, I've just spawned in a world of Fancycraft with my sister, Nature Angel. She told me to come on, she had something to show me, and apparently there's a trail on the trees. Don't want to follow those. Oh wow, this is a very big house. But I'm sorry for the last videos, or the last video, I should say. Ow. I changed my skin, and I also, hi. I changed my skin, and I'm gonna make more videos, hopefully not just Minecraft, or Fancycraft, but Minecraft as well. Whoa, that was very loud. But, my skin has been changed, me and my friend, Weatherman, Chris, me and him have been working on some videos lately. We tried to make one earlier, but I ran out of room on my phone, so I couldn't quite record it all the way. But hopefully I have enough room now. I've decided to record with my sister, Nature Angel, for a little bit. But I'm gonna make more Minecraft videos. So, Nature Angel, should we begin the tour?
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay, I'm gonna follow her.
This is the tunnel.
Okay, sorry for the loud noises, guys. You're gonna have to live with it for a little bit.
I should show you something. Look through here. I made this little thing. See?
What is this?
It's like a little view.
Like a little dome?
No, it's not a dome. It's just a view.
Hmm.
And then through my living room.
This is the living room?
Oh, wait. What the? Whatever. Just leave it. And then my dining room. You better tell them this stuff because they can't hear me.
They can't, they may be able to hear you a bit. But
Well,
this is a nice dining room.
yeah, I made it.
What's back there?
This is the kitchen.
Mmm.
That I also made.
Very nice.
Oh, and then the phone says so don't hear.
Okay, we're gonna have to walk over the table, people. Just walk over the table. Ruin your plates. Kick them across the room.
Okay, and then this is the dance room. This is the dance floor that we're on right now. So this is the dance room, and right now what we're on, this is the back cabinet thingy. Come here! This is where all the drinks are made, crap like that. Back here is where we make all the stuff for the people. You know, we just pretend and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And then over here, boop, 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 boop. Oh yeah, these are the tables where people eat, and I step on them.
Step on more tables, why don't you?
I don't. And then I think this was supposed to be the bathroom. Maybe. I think.
She doesn't even know what she was building on this floor.
I don't know.
How is this even possible?
And then we go boo! Ah! Crap. I thought there was like a step there.
Oh god.
Crap.
Cannonball!
Oh crap. Why'd you use my... Ah! Okay. Oh yeah, I have to... I don't know why we want to do this. Oh look, there's a hole.
I don't think I could fall in that.
Ah! Ooh, cool.
Nope, I didn't. I failed.
Look, there's a thing to go to both kitchens. Maybe?
She can't even get out. I don't know, are you?
No, okay, I'm good.
I don't even know.
We should run. Go, 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 go. Hey, where's my secret passage? Oh yeah, here. And then tell them that that's my secret passage that I made today.
She just literally went into a secret passage that she made today, apparently. If you didn't hear, for those of you who didn't hear.
This is what I did. I did did this to your
What
heart.
did you do? What is this?
I told you do die.
I die. Why I die?
Because I kill you.
Lol. I love that little lol.
It's LOL.
LOL. It's a lol. Why are you shooting arrows in my house?
Because I want to.
Stop it.
Hey, don't do
Don't be mean.
Shoot it. Ah! You'll never find me.
Okay, well,
Fine.
apparently I'm gonna have to go and find my sister, so we will be right back. Alright, so I found Nature Angel. She was hiding all the way out there somewhere in it. But, thanks for watching. What? That was our video. Hopefully we'll play more, we'll make more videos.
I make better worlds than this. Trust me.
Oh yeah, she's made plenty. We'll probably do more tours of her worlds later. But what we're gonna try and do is we're gonna try to get my sister Nature Angel a Minecraft account, so then we can actually get to play actual thing and not, you know, cheap Minecraft.
Hey! Ah! You made me fall. Why did you push me off?
I
Did you push me off?
didn't even move.
What the heck? Yeah, you pushed me off.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Guys, comment down below. Did I just push her off? I was
Yeah, you just pushed me again. What the heck?
I was in the menu, child. I couldn't push you.
You pushed me.
Oh God.
I'm gonna push you up.
Hey! Really? Okay. So we're gonna make more videos. Me and my friend Chris, we were trying to make a video earlier. It didn't work out very well. But once we get my sister Nature Angel an account, she'll be able to play with me and my friend Chris, and we'll make more videos like that. So subscribe to my channel. Hope you liked. Leave a like, leave a comment down below. Leave a like down below and telling us, did I push my sister, or is she just making stuff up?
Hey.
So leave a comment down below, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye. Ah! Crap.
Nice job.
Not